Spencer, you're going to draw a flower.
Yeah, we're going to draw a flower monster. When it's folded up, it'll look like a cute flower. And then when you open it, it'll be a super scary one. We hope you're going to follow along. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers. And you also need some?
Paper.
Paper and what else?
Something to color with.
Yes. All right. You ready to start?
Yes. First, we're going to fold it.
Yes, we are. We're going to fold it. Let's take the top edge, and we're going to line it up with the bottom edge. And once you get it lined up, we're going to crease it down the middle and out to the corners. I can help you.
So hard.
It's okay. I can help you. Teamwork, right?
Yes.
And there we go. Line it up. Yes. And then right down the middle.
Right down.
Yes. And then out to the corners.
Wacha.
Wacha.
Wacha, 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 wacha.
And then we're going to take the top flap, and we're going to line it up with the top edge and crease it down also. And there you go. Right down the middle, and then out to the sides.
Wacha, wacha.
Yeah, then we're gonna flip over our paper like that. And let's repeat the same step. We're gonna take the top flap and line it up with the top edge and crease it down. There you go, you almost got it. And down the middle.
Wacha.
Yes.
Wacha.
This is just a guide fold, so let's unfold it and flatten it out, and then flip our paper back over. When it's all finished, it should open up like this.
Wacha.
There you go. We also have scratch paper we'll put underneath our drawing paper just to protect our table. And we're ready to draw.
Yes.
We're using our Art for Kids Hub black marker, but you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. You could even use a pencil. Let's first draw the center of our flower. We're going to draw a circle. Half of the circle will be above the fold, and then the other half we're going to go below the fold, around, and then connect where we started. Yes, and then down. Oh, love how big your flower monster is going to be. Yes, and the next time I draw, I'm going to change my flower monster to be as big as yours. Okay. Now let's draw the petals. I'm going to start above the fold over here. We're going to draw a sideways U shape for the first petal. Yes, then let's draw a sideways U shape below the fold for the other petal. And then let's repeat that same step over here first. Yeah, before we draw all the rest of the petals, let's first draw another sideways U. We want this one to be above the fold, and then we're going to do another one below the fold. That way, when we open it up, we don't have a petal split in half.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's draw the rest of the petals going all the way across to the other side. There we go. And then fit the last one in. Oh, I like how many you added. Then let's do the same thing on the bottom. We're going to go all the way across the bottom until we connect to the other side. Oh, I got kind of... Oh, we're going to fit one in. Yes, I like how that one's a little smaller. Oh, and you have some little ones too. All right, now let's draw our flower's face. Let's start by drawing the eyes. I'm going to draw one circle here and another circle over here. And we want to draw these above the fold. There you go. And one more. Then let's draw a smaller circle in the top left of each eye. This makes the eyes look friendly, but when we open it up, it won't be so friendly.
Yeah.
We're going to color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. This white circle is a highlight or a reflection to make the eyes look shiny. Now let's draw the mouth. I'm going to draw a straight line, and we want half of the line to be on top. And if you need to, you can go back over. I'm going to draw the other half below the fold. That way, when you open it up, you have some of the mouth on the fold up here and some of it down here.
Yeah.
And do you want to draw it across right there? Yes. And you could draw it kind of close to the sides also. Good job. Oh, I love yours. And then you're going to draw another one below. Perfect. Now let's add little cheek lines on each side. Oh, and also we could add a little stem down here. I'm going to draw two lines, and we don't want to go all the way to the edge. We'll leave a little space. There you go. Oh, I like how thick your stem is too. We did it. There's our little cute flower. Now we need to open up our paper and we're gonna flatten out the folds so that it's easier to draw on. We have half of our flower up here and the bottom half down here. So let's draw all of the details inside of the folding surprise. Now, when we're drawing this part, we wanna make sure that we draw below the top fold and above the bottom fold. That way, when it's folded up, it's all hidden.
Yeah.
So first, let's add the sharp, scary teeth. I'm gonna draw a zigzag line. So I'm gonna come down like this, and then I'm gonna draw a zigzag line all the way across to the other side. Oh, I love your scary teeth. Okay, let's do the same thing over here or down here for the bottom teeth. And let's now connect the top down to the bottom. First, let's start on the outside of the flower, and we're gonna draw a line that comes down and connects to the side of the flower down at the bottom. Then we'll do the same thing on the right side. Connect all the way down to the bottom. And then let's draw the inside of the mouth. We're gonna draw another line that matches on the left and also over here on the right. Oh, it's so scary. Yes, and you can also, let's extend your mouth so that it comes across to the other side, and we could do the same over here. Yes, and then the same up here and on this side. There you go. Okay, now let's draw the scary tongue. We're gonna draw an upside down, well, just kind of a rainbow curve right on top of the fold. Yeah, or down there. Then we're gonna draw a line on the left and also a line on the right. Straight down. And then let's turn it into a snake tongue. We're gonna draw an upside down V to split the tongue. Yeah, now let's draw the throat. We're gonna draw the little punching bag at the back of your throat. We'll draw the letter U right above the tongue. And then we're gonna draw the side of the throat coming around and connecting to the tongue. And then let's do the same thing on the right side. Curve around and connect to the tongue. We did it. There's our little flower, our scary flower.
Yeah.
Let's draw more things on our flower. Let's add the petals coming all the way down. So I'm gonna start below the fold. So we're gonna start right here, below the fold, and we're gonna add U-shapes, sideways U-shapes for the rest of the petals all the way down the side of our flower. And we wanna make sure that we stop above the fold. So start right there. Now let's repeat that same step over here on the right side. So we wanna start below the fold, and then we're gonna draw sideways U-shapes all the way down our flower. You could add, ooh, there's some sharp ones. I like that. All the
right
way
there.
down. Yeah. Now let's also draw leaves, but the leaves are going to be our flower's monster hands. So let's draw a curve that comes out, up, and down. Start there, curve up and down. Then we're gonna draw another one right next to it inside. Oh, look at this, a lot smaller. Yeah, and then let's draw a zigzag line for the claws. Yeah, I like how small that is. Okay, let's do the same thing over here. We're gonna draw a big upside down U for one, or the top of the arm. And then let's draw a smaller one for the inside of the arm. And then let's draw a zigzag line to connect for the claws. Ooh, and I'm gonna extend this a little past the petals. Let's add one more thing to our drawing. Let's add a couple bees that are scared and flying away from the flower.
Yeah.
First, let's draw an oval shape. There you go. And you can connect it here too. Yes, and then on the oval shape, let's draw two. I like that you're drawing it on this side. Let's draw, yes, there's the stripe. I'm gonna draw a little sideways V for the stinger. Yeah, you could draw on this side. There you go. And let's color in the stinger and also the stripe. Then let's add two eyes, two dots, and we gotta draw a scared mouth. So we'll draw a big open mouth like it's screaming. And then color it in. Yeah. Then let's draw two upside down U shapes for the wings. Let's repeat that step for another bee on the other side. I'm gonna draw it flying this way. You can draw it flying away or towards your flower. If you wanna draw it flying away, draw the stripe closer to the flower. So you could draw it on this side. There you go. and then it will be flying away from your flower. Then the sideways V for the stinger. Color that in. Yes, and then you could add the 2 little eyes and the scared mouth and 2 upside down U's for the wings.
My mouth is giant.
It's really giant. And your wings, you did it. And we finished our drawing. Oh, wait, we're not completely done.
We still need to color it.
Yeah, don't forget to color your drawings. Let's pick out our colors. We're using our Art for Kids Hub gel crayons. If you have the same set, the colors that we're using are
Red, yellow, blue, dark purple,
Yeah, it's kind of a dark red purple.
orange, and purple.
Yeah, and what's the last color?
Green.
Green. But also remember, you don't have to use the same set. You could use different crayons, or you could also use something completely different like colored pencils or even markers.
Yeah.
You could use our Art for Kids Hub markers too.
Yes.
Let's first color the inside of our flower. And since we only have one set right now, we're just going to share. So the first thing I'm going to do is color the yellow right here for the inside or the center of our flower. And do you want to color the petals?
Yeah.
This part will speed up, so remember to pause the video and take extra time to color your drawings. Now let's switch. I also colored my little bees yellow, and I even used the orange crayon around the outside, but you can leave that off if you want to keep the lesson a little easier.
Yeah.
All right, let's speed it up again. I forgot to mention, we're gonna use our black crayon for the inside of our little flower's throat. And let's also color the tongue. So here you go. You want to use the black?
Yeah.
And I will use red for the tongue. And also, let's use the dark purple for the inside of the mouth. So this part right here, I'm going to use this color for the inside of the mouth. All right, let's speed it up again.
Okay.
Last, let's use green for the leaves and also the stem, and we'll use the blue for the bee's wings. Olivia, give me 5. We did it. We finished drawing and coloring our monster flowers. We got them all folded up. Should we show our friends the inside?
Yes.
All right, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. I also added an extra bee down here that's smiling because this bee thinks that the flower is friendly, but these ones are really scared, especially that one. You can pause the video right now to match our same coloring, or what else could our friends do?
A background.
Yeah, you guys could add a background. You can color your drawings any way you want. You could even add more things to your drawing, like extra bees or even more flowers.
Maybe a rainbow.
Oh, a rainbow would be perfect.
We hope you have fun drawing a flower monster.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Oh, I'm gonna chomp your flower. Arm.
Nom, 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 nom.